YouTube, what's going on? This preacher. See, I've talked about this before. If you gonna decide to make your own parking spot and not park in another spot, and you know you blocking somebody in this case, this truck that's in front of the red truck, he parked right there in the aisle where you can't even get out. So he can't even turn to get out. But you also will be blocking in 2, 4, 6, 7 trucks. Look, he going to get the dude. Trying to wake the dude up, see? So that one dude blocking all the people in, and he act like he just don't want to get up. He just ain't gonna get up. Now, that's a love attendant there. Because the truck driver was knocking on his door and he didn't want to get up. But you know you blocking people in. This truck here, he can't even get out because the dude just blocking up. And the dude act like he just don't want to move. You so act like you so dead sleep, somebody knocking on your door like crazy, hard. Now this truck, he's in the last parking spot. Then they had a truck that was parked right there. And then he parked right there. And then you act like you don't want to move. But then you block people that's parked over here from getting out. Why? Then you don't want to get up or move your truck, but you blocking people in. Whose fault is it that you drive so late that you got to make a parking spot? I mean, so he just makeshift parking spot. Now, when I got here at almost 3 o'clock in the morning, and where I'm at, the person was leaving as I was getting in. So I had got lucky. There's actually see where that white Classic is right there? It was that spot that was open up too that I was going to back in. But then I saw this guy leave, so I just bust the UE and got this spot. So now you got the attendant out there, and the guy just acting like he don't want to get up. So you just blocking everybody. Well, not everybody, but you blocking these trucks for trying to get out. Now here it is. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I was sleeping good, but the dude blowing his air horn like crazy and it's on like crazy, and the guy still don't want to move, so it just woke me up. I'm a light sleeper. Like I said, I got here at 3 o'clock this morning, and here it is. It's 8 o'clock now. But it's 8 o'clock in the morning, and this guy, he wasn't there 3 o'clock this morning when I got here. He was not there. So he came after 3 o'clock in the morning. Listen, if you just can't make a parking spot. The guy that was parked in between those two made that parking spot, and then now he makes a parking spot there too. But you're a truck driver, man. You well know that you blocking in these trucks right here. And if you're gonna be parked there, you're gonna have to move. And that's crazy, man. That is really crazy. I just don't understand that. And your ignorance that you just ain't gonna get up. You don't care. You ain't gonna move. Why? And then if you know, again, you know you getting up at this here time. $10-hour break. Even if you're doing an 8-hour break. Even if you're gonna do a 7-3, right? Like I said, I got here at 3 o'clock in the morning. That means your 7 hour is still gonna be 10 o'clock. If you're looking at my time, you know by 10 o'clock that these trucks got to move. That's just crazy. That is crazy. Y'all see how long now this attendant, he been out there. He been out there for the longest. This truck driver, that's the truck driver. He was already 5 minutes in. Y'all see this video? This video been going on now for like 7 minutes. Now that this truck is moving, he probably gonna be able to. That trucker probably gonna be able to get out now because this truck is moving. So because that truck moved, now this truck can get out, but this truck is still don't want to move. That's crazy. I guess the trucker was like, they can knock all they want to knock. I ain't moving. Truckers being nasty. To me, that is just nasty, man. That is just, to me, is really, really nasty. If you blocking somebody in, you know you blocking somebody in, you got to be willing to wake up and move your truck. And then by this time, you got a lot of empty spots. You can creep. You don't even got to go over 4 miles per hour to set off your ELD. You don't. You don't even got to go that long to set off your ELD. You can be in creep mode. You can pull your truck up to let the other trucker out and then get it inside that part. So now he's leaving because the other guy can leave. But this guy want to just sit there. And he just gonna sit there. That's nasty, boy. That's real nasty.